Rica trip. Charlie and I are about to head down to the river mouth, hopefully see some cool animals.
Yesterday was amazing to see Stefania be able to ride. She was a little frustrated at the beginning and was killing it at the end. Hopefully we're going to see some animals by getting up this early. It's going to be a great day.
Have fun, boys. How was that little ride you did?
That was one of the sketchiest motorcycle